In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Notion API keys. If you're connecting Notion to a custom app, an automation tool, or a script, you'll need a secure API key, also called an integration secret. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it in Notion and share a few tips to keep it safe. Start by opening Notion and looking at the left-hand sidebar. Click on Settings. This is the home base for your workspace configuration. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the integration to live before you proceed. Inside Settings, find the section called Connections. This area is designed for managing apps and integrations that can talk to your workspace. It's where you'll link external tools and control what they can access. In the Connections section, click the link that says Develop or Manage Integrations. This opens Notion's Integration Management page. Here, Notion lets you do two things: create a brand new integration, or manage the ones you've already set up. If you've never created one before, don't worry. This page is meant to guide you. Once you're on that page, you can either select an existing integration or create a new one if you haven't already. Choosing an existing integration is the fastest route to grab a key you've used before. If you need a new one, go ahead and create it and follow the on-screen prompts. The important part is that each integration is tied to a specific workspace and will have its own secret key. After you click into the integration you want, you'll see its details, including the API key or integration secret. This is the credential your code or automation tool will use to authenticate with Notion. Copy it, and you're good to go. Treat this key like a password. Store it securely, don't paste it in public places, and avoid sharing it in screenshots or videos. If you ever think it's been exposed, return to this page and rotate or regenerate it so your data stays protected. That's all you need to get your Notion API key. To recap quickly, open Settings from the left sidebar, go to the Connections section, click Develop or Manage Integrations, open the integration you want, or create one if needed, and copy the secret. Keep it safe, and you're ready to connect Notion to your tools with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy building.